Another week, another video. So this week I kind of want to talk about like vintage clothes, where you can like get vintage clothes, and kind of like what vintage wholesale is, how it kind of works, and just like showing you like what it actually is. So you might have noticed like whenever you go on Depop or like eBay, you see all these like stores that are just selling vintage clothes. Now a lot of these companies actually get all their clothes like from wholesale. So what that means is there's like other companies that have just like large amounts of inventory of like everything: hoodies, sweatshirts, shirts, jackets, everything. And you can like go to their like big factory and you can like pick out what you want, and it's like £2 for a hoodie, or like £3, or like if it's branded maybe it's a little bit more, like maybe £5 for some Carhartt, £6 for some Dickies. And there's like a minimum spend of like £250. And then the other sort of side of it is that you can just get like an assortment of like 15 or 20 shirts or t-shirts or sweatshirts, and they just pick it out randomly for you, and what you get is what you get. Now these kind of vary in price. Obviously just a random assortment is obviously a lot cheaper because you're not like individually picking the items you want. And what I thought I'd do like for this video is I'll just get like a random assortment, or just like a bunch of clothes, mainly because I wanted some for a project, but also I thought it'd be interesting to kind of show you all how it worked. So what I did, I found this website, and I think it was like £1.50 for a shirt, and then they had another set when it was all the shirts were 20p, and then they had another set where the t-shirts were 150, and I think the sweatshirts were 250. So there's like a minimum order of 15 on all of them, so I just got 15 of all of them. And basically I'm just gonna kind of show you what they got. So like as you can see, this is like a crazy montage of like everything that I picked up. And the thing is, it's really weird, like if you look at this, why are all these sweatshirts like Christmas themed, and like why are these t-shirts so dead? And I was a bit disappointed. I thought I'd get some nicer pieces, maybe like a 1 or 2 Nike or Adidas things or something like that. So to be honest, I think the t-shirts pretty much were all a bust, and I don't know what I'm going for these shirts. They're like these sweatshirts, these are all just shirts as well, but the shirts and the flannels, I gotta say, these are pretty decent. Like all the flannels were like 150 each, and all like the other shirts were like 20p each. And basically I got these for like a project. I don't know if you guys ever seen like the needle shirt, this shirt, and basically I just kind of wanted to make something like this, and I was thinking I might make like a t-shirt or 2 as well, and then maybe a sweatshirt, but based on how these look, that's pretty unlikely. But yeah, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go through the actual ones that I actually like from the collection, or the pile of stuff that I picked up, and yeah, I'll just show you in like a little bit more detail. So the first shirt I've got is this like flannel shirt, and this material is really nice. Like it's like this proper wool material. It's got like a lumberjack tag on it as well. The second shirt is just like a plain like black and white flannel as well, but I'm not sure if this is like women's or men's, but it's just nice. I like this button, like it's these popper things instead of buttons, but yeah, it's quite nice as well. The third one is just this plain grey shirt. It's like a nice heavyweight material, and I like the big buttons on this one. Just looks quite nice. The fourth one as well, these are all just grey and black, but it's mainly because I want to make like a whole set of like grey and black shirts, like the needles ones, because my thing is like with the needles shirts, they're good, but they're a bit too out there. So like I want something similar to that, but I don't want it like loads of different colors. I want like a sort of more monochrome set, so that it looks a little bit easier to wear, instead of having something that's so out there it's just like fucking impossible to style. But anyway, yeah, the last one is this one. It's like, I know it's white, but I think it'll still work with the others. But yeah, those are all the shirts. And then this sweatshirt, I can't lie, this sweatshirt is fire. Like, it's just got a big old deer head on it. It's like, I think it's like double XL. I don't know, man. That's triple XL. It's just a nice color, nice pattern, nice design. It looks kind of hard, something you could wear year round. But yeah, then just like onto the other shirts. Got this like black paisley one, which is fire. I think paisley is like really popular at the moment, so I might even make like a second shirt with like all the paisley stuff. Like I got this paisley one as well, this white paisley thing. But yeah, those are pretty much all the shirts. And then just for the t-shirts, they've got this fire one, this Warrior Sports, and it's got Warrior Sports on the back. It is kind of hard, I can't lie. Like I thought all the t-shirts would be like this. If they were, then you know it'd be a different thing, but that's like probably one of the only good t-shirts. And this one as well, I do like this one. This Digital Media Academy. It's like a pretty sick design on the front and on the back as well. I quite like, I don't know, it's very simple, but I think it does look pretty sick. It's nice, it's white and baby blue as well. I do like that. And then the last one is this like fucking tomatoes one, but just like all the list of sponsors on the back. It just looks cool, man. It's just like, I thought the t-shirts would be like that, a lot more just random sort of stuff that I could just wear like very casually. But to be honest, most of the stuff turned out to be a bust. But it is what it is, we move. But yeah, like I said, I got those shirts. Probably gonna try and make like a needle shirt. That's probably one of the upcoming videos. Also a dyeing tutorial, now that the weather's a little bit better. I'm looking at getting a jacket and I'm gonna dye it as well, so I'll make a video on that for you guys. Any other video suggestions, let me know. But yeah, that's pretty much the video. If you liked it, like it. If you want to comment. If you want to subscribe, please subscribe. New videos coming every Sunday, 8 p.m.